Welcome to the Tech Troopers. So today in this video, we'll show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment your content suggestions below. Open CapCut PC. Create new project. Import your video in CapCut. Drop your video to timeline. First we will add position keyframes, importing a picture. Drop picture to timeline. Now we will add keyframes. You can create your own animation through keyframes. I will create slide down rotating animation. These dots represent each keyframe and their position by holding and dragging their num. Look, my side down animation is ready. You can create your own animation. Drop clip to timeline. Add keyframes. Creating zoom in zoom out effect. Adjust scale according to your video. Look, effect is ready. Now I will rotate this image through keyframes. Add keyframes according to your image. Watch carefully how I create this. How we can create this effect through blend keyframes. Go to Basic. Scroll down, find Blend. Add keyframes. And set capacity on each keyframe. So this will create image fade in fade out effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. Keep watching.